Hi, I'm Stephen Sanford from Clearcom, and we're here at ISE 2023. I'm going to show you the Arcadia unit. So this is our scalable platform. It has multiple different features. It does wired and wireless. It supports our FreeSpeak. It supports our FreeSpeak 2.4, FreeSpeak 1.9, and our FreeSpeak Edge, which is 5 gigahertz. It has an array of IP transceivers, which support 10 belt packs. It has on the back, we have our party line, which is our analog Clearcom connections of old. It has 8 4-wire ports. It has our E1 cluster supporting the old legacy E1 transceivers, and it has our IP connections, which gives you up to 64 ports of DANSE and connection to our IP transceivers. It also connects into our configuration tool, which allows you to configure the box itself, configuring the actual channels themselves, the inputs and outputs in the channels, along with the belt packs in there as well. And it also gives you a live monitoring screen, which allows you to see where the belt packs are connected, their battery status, their signal strengths, which keys are pressed, the volume levels of each of those keys, and which transceivers they're connected to. So this is our kind of modern platform that we're showing here at ISE 2023 for the first time. So thank you. Clearcom website is clearcom.com.